Hello, if you want to learn an easy blues lick in the style of Eric Clapton, then you're in the right place. Because today I want to show you an easy blues guitar lick for beginners off of Sweet Home Chicago. And that's coming up. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, have a look around. And if you like what you see, consider subscribing for more guitar tips. So let me show you the lick that we're going to be playing, and then we're going to break it down. That's based off of Sweet Home Chicago, but what we're going to learn is this great lick here. So what we want to do is slide in to, we're on the G string, and we're going to slide in 4 to 6. So we're going to slide in from the 4th fret of the G string to the 6th fret. Then we're on the 5th fret of the B string. Back to the 6th fret of the G. Then we're going to play 7, 6, 5 on the E string. So we're going to pick the 8th fret of the B string after we play 7, 6, 5, back to the 5 on the E string, five on the B string. So here's what we got. And then 6 on the G string. That's it. Whoop, here we go. And when you're starting out, take it slow. Make it your own. If you like the blues, then you might want to check out Sharon's Guitar Academy. There's a link in the description. I've got a complete blues course there. So check it out. And don't forget to watch this next video. Thanks.